Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Temporal Rift in Anime Vanguard. This unique ability offers incredible strategic depth by bending the very fabric of time and space. It's not just a flashy move, it's a core mechanic that, when mastered, can elevate your gameplay significantly. We'll cover everything from activation to advanced strategies, ensuring you can fully leverage its potential in any encounter. To begin using Temporal Rift, you typically acquire it by completing a challenging main story quest or as a very rare drop from high-level bosses. Once obtained, activating it is straightforward. Simply press the designated ability key, consuming 100 energy points from your resource bar. Remember, a 60-second cooldown period follows each activation, so timing is crucial for optimal use. The strategic benefits of Temporal Rift are immense. Upon activation, it dramatically slows all nearby enemies, reducing their movement speed by 50% for a full 5 seconds. Simultaneously, your character receives a 20% increase to all damage dealt during this critical window. This makes it perfect for escaping overwhelming attacks, repositioning, or unleashing a devastating burst of damage on a priority target. For advanced players, Temporal Rift truly shines when combined with other abilities. Try activating it just before unleashing a powerful Area of Effect ultimate to ensure every enemy is caught in its blast. Its slowing effect also provides an excellent window to land precise skill shots that might otherwise be difficult. Furthermore, consider pairing it with support characters who can extend buff durations, maximizing your damage output for even longer periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.